Hi, this is Chris from GrowQuest, and I'm on the scene of an olive tree planting I've been doing. And along the course of the work, I accidentally nicked this pipe with a excavator. Unfortunately, none of the utilities were really widely known as to where they were located, so I just sort of raked the soil with the teeth of the excavator to find what I needed to find. The pipe actually broke from the pressure of the tracks, and when I was backing out of here, so I repaired the pipe that night with a temporary to a long-term solution, which was a compression coupling. I don't have the compression coupling here because the idiot that made the subsequent repair took it with them, despite the instructions of please wait till Chris is here Monday so I can do this permanent repair myself. I had bought this 1.25 inch slip fix, as we've seen on other videos. I pull an Anthony Weiner here and extend it out. We all know how that works. There's the slip fix from the other video I did. In any event, the slip fix was supposed to go right about there with a coupling. I left it on a bench, said I would come back Monday and have all day Monday to let the seal set. However, the gardener showed up and took it upon himself to, I think he was the engineer on the site, and installed the slip fix. Unfortunately, not having the proper knowledge in how to do this, he first took a pipe wrench and took it apart, which is probably a no-no. In any event, he put it together and then decided to use a huge amount of glue, using some what's called Christie's Red Hot blue glue, a very fast-acting pipe solvent, and he used enough or too much that it went from the fitting side into the chamber of the slip fix, whereupon it overflowed into the interior and then began to dissolve away the seal here, which I couldn't understand, because when I got to this site late Monday morning, the slip fix assembly was leaking. And I've been using slip fixes for about 30 years, and I've used them from 1/2 inch to 4 inch, and I've never seen one leak in all that time. And I was really baffled as to what was causing it to leak. I first undid it and realized that he had assembled it with, when he'd reassembled it, some sediment had gotten in the threads and stuff, but I didn't realize right away that he had dissolved part of this joint, or the seal on the back here, with the pipe solvent, until I went and got another slip fix and took it apart and saw that the manufacturer, KBI, uses no solvent in there whatsoever. So then I realized that it wasn't the manufacturer, it was the gardener. To make matters worse, the homeowner took it upon himself to make this bastardized assembly, or have the gardener make it. First of all, note to idiots, the blue glue, or the glue, only works on the inside of the joints. No matter how much you put on the outside, it's not going to help seal it any better. What they did is they dug it back and raised up the pipe, put in a couple couplings and shoved it together. This may or may not work long term, given the fair amount of angling and wet nature of the situation when they did it. My bet is that as the earth moves around a little bit, this will probably come apart. At least it is a high degree likeliness of coming apart. The last thing you want is a mainline, because this is the mainline, jerry-rigged together so that one day when you're not here, or one weekend when you're not here, it's flooding your entire property. So, in the end, the gardener should have left the repair alone. The homeowner should have let me further diagnose what the issue with the slip fix was, and I would have come back a few days later and properly repaired it. At this point, I don't want anything to do with the repair. It's a complete mess. So, that's a slip fix moment for you.